Introducing AXING's hybrid dual head-end solution, designed for flexible and future-ready TV distribution. This compact system processes multiple input standards and delivers both RF and IPTV outputs simultaneously via a single unified and flexible platform. Connect satellite, cable, or terrestrial signals in any combination. Stay with RF today and transition to IPTV gradually, depending on your infrastructure progress. All is coming with high performance and optimized cost. Centralized head-end management via SMARTPortal ensures control, while stable output frequencies guarantee performance. Advanced signal processing with integrated CI modules provides a flexible solution. Run IPTV and RF services within the same network. Use IP for new installations while keeping coax for existing infrastructure, and upgrade step by step without replacing the entire system. The hybrid approach enables a smooth transition from RF to IPTV. Start with your existing RF system, introduce IP infrastructure gradually, run both in parallel, and switch when you are ready. Run IPTV over Ethernet in selected hotel sections, while other areas continue on existing coax infrastructure, enabling a smooth and fully controlled migration path. An intuitive web interface enables easy setup, operation, and system management, fully integrated with SMARTPortal. The solution is available in multiple variants, including FTA and CI versions with IPTV expansion. Ready to upgrade your network? Talk to AXING.